Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is actually part 4, which is really part 2 of getting these lines to go. If you notice, these are going to the left, these are going to the right, down and up. I just did one where we did all of them the same direction. So how would you get it to go up and down? Well, what you can do is take your 2-point line or this is the way I would do it, and just go from that node to that node. That node to that node. You need to be pretty precise. So you've got them all, and now break this into 4 different quadrants. We're going to set our nudge factor on 5 inches. We're going to grab that and nudge it. We're going to grab that and nudge it, that and that. That's going to be the key part of our deal. So we're going to go nudge it over. Let's get it out of the way. Get it out of the way pretty much the same. Now we're going to do one of these at a time, so we're going to grab the bottom 3 and nudge them out of the way. Now we need to left click, right click, and we don't want to move our cross, we want to move our lines that are all grouped together. Now this is going to be, there's really no, I don't think there's any way to snap to it, but just remember, don't move the cross itself, move the lines. And you might even have to change your nudge factor or something lower, like 0.01. Grab the line again and just kind of move it up there. We're off a little bit. Matter of fact, you can go 0.001. Get a little bit of a minute little movement. And just get that line on top of that other line. And I think that's good. Now, go up here to intersect, change your nudge factor back to 5 and grab this and move it over. So now you have those lines going upward. Now, after we do this, we're going to want to take away, and matter of fact, it'd be smart to do it right now, would be to take away these lines. We don't want any extra lines in there. We've already got our definitive part. And there you go. Now to do the other one, let's do the bottom one. Let's remember, don't move, nudge. And now we need to flip this one because we want it going down. So we're going to nudge these pretty far out of the way. It's okay to move that one, but you don't need to. Now left click, right click, and then move this into that position. Remember not to move your cross, and just get it pretty close and change your nudge factor to 0.001. Let's zoom in here. And as long as you got and that's pretty good. I guess my angles are a little bit different than the other ones. So then grab it all and go to intersect, and then change your nudge factor back to that 5 inches and do that. Now, the only thing else I can suggest is that this has an outline around it, and that is going to show up double lines in there. So maybe what we can do, we can just delete that inner part. Whoop, it's all grouped together. Just delete this inner part. You could even delete these because we're going to make them new. I do that a lot. I need to put a piece of tape over my calculator button because you don't want that double line in there. So I'm going to nudge that out of the way and then get rid of that one. Well, I don't need to do that. Accidentally deleted. Well, I want to delete the lines, do I not? Yeah, so I want to that one probably is maybe grouped together. So let's take it, go up to Object, ungroup it. I don't think I could take that out. deleting some lines. So anyway, just move this over, nudge that over, and then you're gonna, when you do the other two parts, you won't, well, really, we don't need that outside line, so that's gonna work perfectly good. So let's do it one more time to make sure we're on the same ballpark. Remember, do not move, nudge. And now we need this one going at a 45-degree angle, whoops, 90-degree angle, sorry. And left click, right click. The hardest part is just lining this kind of up. There's really no way that I know of that you could like make it snap to it. And you really only have to get close. Change your nudge factor back to 0.001. Grab your box again and just minutely move it up. Well, I put it on too little bit of movement. There we go. And then do the exact same thing. Intersect. And then put our nudge back on 5. Grab our intersection. And voila. And you can see what you're doing now. You're making vector lines going out from a different direction. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.